तड़का मार के रेडियो गरम मसाला।
Once again, good evening everyone. आप सुन रहे हैं रेडियो गरम मसाला विद माय शो देसी पटाखा और आज मैं हूं केकिल विद सोनम पटेल who has won Miss India Global 2016 this year March in Melbourne. So Sonam ji, welcome to the Radio Garam Masala.
Hi, thank you Kekil. Thanks for having me here tonight.
Cool. So how do you feel after winning this Miss India Global 2016?
It is surreal. It is like a dream come true. That's all I can say. It's absolutely just like a dream. But in saying that, there's a lot of responsibility that comes with it.
Oh, okay.
I feel very fortunate, very humbled, very blessed to be given this opportunity.
Cool. So would you tell me a bit more about Miss India Global 2016? Who was the main judge there?
Neha Dupia was actually one of the main judges, so
lucky
Bollywood
you.
actress. Yeah, it was it was all like a dream being up there and being crowned by her and receiving that sash. But it was absolutely
So
fantastic.
if I'm not, this happened in March, right?
This happened in March 19th. Yeah.
March 19th. So how long have you been preparing for this pageant?
Give or take a couple of months.
Couple of months.
Yeah, a couple of months. But in saying that, it was actually when I got to Melbourne, I had about 2 days.
Just 2 days?
2 days to pick up the catwalk technique, the footwork, how to present yourself, what's involved. So it was quite a challenge.
Okay.
But yeah, it all came together. It fell in place in the end.
Yeah, I can understand. Other parties must be jealous of you because like you came like from Perth in 2 days and you got their crown and like come on girl, like you're from Perth, you came over 2 days and you're getting your crown there.
I know it is a little bit like that, but in saying that, those girls were fabulous. They were beautiful. They were all very, very nice, and it was great to meet all of them.
Cool.
Yeah.
So around how many participants were there?
There were about 30 contestants, hundreds of applicants, and
Oh,
so
cool,
the
of
finalists, about 30 that got through.
One and only fortunate of you.
Yeah,
Sonam Patel, Miss India Global 2016.
still so surreal.
No worries.
Worked for it, so yeah.
Tell me how you got inspired for this pageant and what was your first reaction and your preparation and all?
What inspired me to do the pageant?
Yeah.
Okay, well, it's not something that I had always thought of doing.
Yep.
To be honest, I thought maybe this would be a little bit of a challenge. Something that I thought would be out of the ordinary. I was so used to, going to work, studying, gymming. It was kind of a very routine life, and I thought this would be a bit of fun.
Yep.
If anything, there's nothing to lose. It'll be a little bit fun, meet new people, learn new skills, learn more things about myself. And I thought, you know what? Let's do it. Let's challenge let's challenge ourselves and go for it. What's there to lose? So, in saying that thought inspired me that maybe I could do something different for myself. And I thought that there's no way you can really grow as a person unless you're out of your comfort zone.
Exactly.
And this is something that I wasn't used to doing at the time. Very different for me. And I thought, let's do it because I might just learn something about myself.
So you reckon before the pageant and after winning the pageant, you see some changes in yourself, some more confidence and change of personality?
Big time. Not really a change of personality. I'd say that I've always remained the same bubbly, crazy, lively person I always have been. So I haven't changed myself, but I've learned a lot about myself.
All right.
I've grown a lot as a person. I've discovered talents. I've learned a lot about other people. I've learned how amazing this industry is when you get to collaborate with photographers and videographers and makeup artists and other people. It's teamwork. It really is. And that's
so what was the reaction of your parents and family when you put this request to them?
My parents, I will never forget, they were like, Sonam, you're a superstar. And they were so happy. They were so
they
happy.
supported you.
Absolutely, 100%.
That's
I'm
great.
so blessed and fortunate to have the parents I do, because they have been supporting me every single step of the way.
Oh, that's
They've
cool.
told me that you're young once, you have these opportunities, go get them, go grab them, make the most of them and be happy.
Cool,
What
that's
more
really
could I ask
good.
for?
So Sonam ji, हम बात कर रहे थे आपके beauty and winning of India Global 2016. So tell me something about what happened, what sudden changes or what kind of positive changes came after winning this pageant.
Well, there have been so many opportunities that have presented themselves after this pageant.
Yep.
For example, I've done some photo shoots, things that I just haven't done before, and I'm
Yep.
loving it. It is so much fun. I've just realized how much of a good time I have in front of the camera.
That's
It's
awesome.
great. Yeah, so I've done photo shoots. Recently, I've actually just got back from Melbourne. I had a music video that I shot with Quran and for a talented Punjabi singer Sukhdeep. So that was called After Love Marriage. So
Oh, that's
soon
good.
to be on TV. So I'm very excited. They'll be showing that on Punjabi music channels and stuff. So that, yeah. After that, I think mainly I've been training hard and working on myself because I have an international competition coming up.
Are you serious?
It doesn't end
Wow.
here. I'm now Miss India, so I'm representing India in the Philippines.
And when is it?
That will be in September.
September.
Yes.
And what is the beauty pageant
So
called?
that is the International Miss Global Pageant. So
Wow.
I will be Miss
So you are
India.
taking a step further now.
And that's it.
Not
So-
stopping here.
No, so the title, this Miss India title, takes you to the Miss Global pageant. So now it's a global platform. I'll be competing against 50 to 55 other countries. And yeah, that will be in the Philippines in September. So
Cool. Tell me and go back to this winning of India Global 2016.
Yeah.
Let me speak in Hindi as well. Like I think you understand Hindi, right?
Yes.
Alright. So जैसे कि हम Miss World या Miss India में कहीं पे भी जाते हैं, so they ask some question. Sometimes it can be silly. तो कभी-कभी I think Aishwarya Ravanshi won Miss India, Miss World 1994. तो उनको पूछा गया था कि अगर आप जीत गई है मिस वर्ल्ड तो आप क्या करेंगी. So she replied कि मैं जो अनाथ बच्चे हैं उनके लिए कुछ करूँगी and then I would also do some things for the old people as well.
Yeah.
So those kind of things. तो आपको कौन से questions पूछे गए थे? Was there any questions?
there was the
तो
top.
आप बताइए कौन से questions थे वहाँ पे?
Hanji. So the top 5 contestants got through to the question answer round.
Alright.
So my first question was, it wasn't assessed, but they wanted to know what I had taken from the pageant so far and what I'd taken from it, what I discovered or learnt. Second question, which was assessed, that was, so out of 10, they had asked me, what makes you think that you are more deserving than any of the other contestants to win Miss India
interesting
Global?
question.
That is, it's a huge question because all those girls are equally as deserving. They've all worked very hard. They were all
Yep.
fantastic, and they all wanted the crown.
What makes you different?
What makes me different?
Yeah.
What I believe makes me different is I think that I have the determination, the drive, the enthusiasm, and the positive energy required to be an excellent advocate for young people and women on a global scale. And I think that I'm very down to earth, I'm very real, I'm very genuine, and I have those qualities required to engage with people.
Okay.
So if I want to spread a positive message, I can do that via communication. I think that being given this platform will really allow me to just reach out and voice positive messages to people.
Cool.
And I think
So
that
do you want to do something for woman empowerment?
that is such a cliche, Kikil. Such a cliche. No. We can't. Look, it's impossible to change everything just by one person can't change everything. But if you make changes within yourself, changes will spread around you.
Cool.
If you think positive, you'll attract positive things.
All right.
If you're kind to other people, you'll attract kindness.
Kind
too.
people.
And that's it.
It's like karma, like what goes around
That's
comes around.
exactly it. Exactly,
Cool.
it's law of nature. And instill those positive feelings within myself and radiate them to others around me. Then there we go. We've empowered people.
Cool. I can see a bit of a philosopher in your head as well.
That's what I think.
philosophy.
Thanks, Keko.
Were you being real or just okay? Let me give this answer. I'm good at philosophy.
This is 100% me. So
Okay, go. I believe you. Anyways, let me play this song and then we'll talk something more about you after this song. alright?
beautiful.
Cheers.
Thanks.
So सोनम जी कुछ बताइए आपकी हॉबीज के बारे में.
My hobbies.
हाँ जी, मुझे जानना है और हमारे जो श्रोतागण हैं उनको भी जानना है कि मिस इंडिया ग्लोबल जो अपने पर्सनल टाइम में या लेजर टाइम में क्या करती होगी. हाँ,
So,
कुछ
let's-
बताइए अपने पर्सनल लाइफ के बारे में.
let's start. Piano.
पियानो.
All my friends know that I have a deep connection to my piano.
Very deep
It-
connection. दिल का रिश्ता है.
My Friday night date nights with my black and white keys. It's beautiful. I love playing. It takes me to another place. I feel like when I play, I'm just relieved of all stress. You know, it takes me into another dimension. And
That's good.
you know, it's a very spiritual thing. I think you play with your heart. It's not like you're plonking down the keys and making a sound. You're really
Yep.
feeling what you're playing. You're putting emotion into it.
Cool.
And yeah, it's a great thing. Second, I love the gym. I'm a gym rat. Again, all my friends know that if they can't find me, they'll find me in the
In the
gym.
gym. Your mom as well. सोनम कहाँ गई? सोनम कहाँ गई? खो गई. जिम में होगी आंटी.
Exactly. They know if something's wrong. Sonam, have you been to the gym today? Go. You'll feel better once. I love running. I love gymming. It makes me happy. It's my happy
Tell me
place.
something about your school days as well. Like school में कभी आप मुर्गा बनी है?
School days.
Yeah. Have like your teacher who like made you murga? You know murga means?
Murga.
Murga is chicken.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How do we make me chicken?
You can be chicken by like taking hands in between your legs and then handling your ears.
मैं तो teacher's pet थे. Like I was a teacher's. I was always a goody two-shoes.
Oh, goody.
Prefect.
No baddie.
No, I was always part of like all of the orchestra, debating, volleyball, softball, hockey, basketball.
More like a tomboy style.
Yeah.
Oh,
okay,
cool.
that was different. I was into all the leadership things, charities, but I was a big tomboy.
Oh, is it?
Big tomboy. I was very different in school. So much that like I was given a very hard time.
Oh, you must be
Yeah.
giving a hard time to boys as well. You're scared to, I don't want to approach her.
I was
She's
one
your
of
mom.
them. I've always been one of the boys. I still am. But yeah, no, I've always been my own person.
Okay.
And I've never had to feel the need to be like anyone else.
Okay, that's good actually.
I loved my cars. I loved, being a
Your tomboy
tomboy.
personality.
Big time. My shopping would be done there, and it's just, and I had my own personality, and I still
Yes.
do, and I feel always be true to yourself.
Oh, yes.
Why be like anyone else?
So let me ask you one question. Childhood, mein you said you were tomboy, and suddenly this Miss India Global picture. How does this change comes in you?
I have no idea. I feel just
Your school
slowly.
friends look at her. She was tomboy. She can't be Miss India
I know.
Global.
I wonder what they must be thinking. Honestly,
Yeah.
I haven't even spoken to any of them, to be honest. But here we go. Here we are.
Okay.
I must have changed a little bit here and there. Whatever these changes are, I've worked for them. I've instilled them within myself. I haven't asked anyone. I've just kind of experimented here and there. Got a taste for fashion, developed a love for it, and yeah. And now.
So you reckon that tomboy personality has been slipped for like long time for good, or it can come back again?
It's still in me.
Still in there.
I'm still one of the guys.
That's pretty good actually.
Not
Nice.
scared. But yeah, that's what makes me me. You just got to be real. You got to be down to earth. You got to just keep it real.
Cool. Now,
Yeah.
Sonam ji, tell me something about your childhood and your school life के बारे में हमने तो बोल दिया you were tomboy.
Yeah.
Childhood, how have you been grown up and your education background?
Childhood. I was born in Kenya, Nairobi.
All right.
I've always been very, very close to my family. I've been very close to my grandparents growing up. I have a very special bond with them.
Yep.
Very close to my parents as well. I have two brothers.
Okay.
Came here at the age of 10.
All right.
Yeah, so
Young.
it's been a while, but completed my primary and secondary education here, and after that, I actually really wanted to be a dentist since
All
I
right.
was 9 years of age. I know. Who wants to be a dentist? Everyone fears the dentist. But no, I worked for it. I studied hard and I got into dentistry. I gave it a good 3 years.
All right.
Wasn't quite for me, so I ventured out into the world of commerce.
All right.
And did accounting and finance. So I worked at Deloitte for a year and halfway through my CA as well.
Cool.
So yeah, no, you can tell.
It's like beauty with brain.
God, you're flattering me so much. I feel education is very important in today's world. It's a very powerful tool. It's paramount. I've been brought up knowing the importance of it and knowing that it's very important to be independent. And education allows us to.
One thing I also learned from our editors is like wherever you go, everything will leave you, but your education will stay with you
Exactly.
for life.
It's never a waste.
It's not just a piece of paper. It's just
it's
what defines you.
That's it. It's very important because it allows you to stand on your own 2 feet at the end of the day. But then that being said, it's very important to do something you enjoy.
Yeah, that is a different part of yourself, isn't it? Education is different, and whatever you want to be, that is different part of your life.
True, but I think few people are blessed enough to be able to do what they love and what they're passionate about every day. So if you can make your passion, if you can create your passion into your career, then you're sailing. You're always happy. But it's very important to keep that education going. I feel, so that's in terms of my educational background.
What is your future dream or future venture you wanna be, or you wanna do something in the future? Any ideas, anything? Everyone got a dream.
Well, life is so unpredictable. This time last year, I thought I would still be crunching numbers behind a desk. I had no idea I would be, heavily. Yeah, I didn't know I'd be training hard to go to the Philippines and representing India as Miss India Global. I had no idea. So, whatever life throws at you, I'd say grab it with 2 hands, make the most of every opportunity, because you just don't know where life takes you.
Oh, cool.
I could tell you today that I'll finish my CA, I'll end up as an accountant, but who knows what's going to happen tomorrow. So in the meantime, I'm going to enjoy everything that I have now. It's okay to do something that's different. It's okay to follow a different path sometimes if you are happy. I think stay true to yourself. There always has to be a purpose behind what you're doing, and I think that's very important. Don't do anything blindly. If you can figure out why you're doing something and believe in that reason and believe in yourself, then you're halfway there. You'll always be happy.
That is very good advice for our listeners as well.
Just believe in what you're doing.
Believe in yourself.
Exactly. You've got to believe in yourself, because if you don't, who will? You've got to back yourself. And I think this journey, this is a very personal journey, and that's, if anything, it's really taught me to back myself.
Oh, yes.
You have to be there for yourself, because tomorrow you don't know.
Down the line, anything. Let's say if you are going down in a down phase of your life, you will always remember, like back in life, you have won this patient and what was going on, and you are capable of doing anything. That kind of inspiration you can get as well.
You've always got to have some sort of self-confidence and belief in what you're doing. Have some self-faith and go for it. Just do it. Don't think about what other people think of you. I think a big thing holding us back is we're worried about being judged. We're worried about what people think. But if we're always so scared about what others think, we'll just miss out on growing and shaping ourselves into beautiful human beings.
Cool. As I just remember that you said you have born and brought up in till 10 years. You have brought up in Kenya, and then you came to Australia.
That's it.
But my next question would be your attachment with India, and what made you think you can win, or that confidence came in you to join this Indian global pageant. But after this song, stay tuned.
Okay.
वेलकम टू रेडियो ग्रोमसा। दोस्तों, आज हमारे शो में है मिस इंडिया ग्लोबल 2016 सोनम पटेल। सोनम जी से हम बात कर रहे थे उनके लाइफ के बारे में, हाउ डिड शी गॉट इंस्पायर्ड अबाउट दिस पेजेंट एंड हर लाइफ आफ्टर विनिंग द पेजेंट। सोनम जी, कुछ और बताइए आपकी पैशन के बारे में। आपने बताया कि यू लाइक प्लेइंग पियानो। व्हाट अदर थिंग्स यू डू इन योर लेजर टाइम?
So, to be honest, I spend a lot of time at the gym as well.
Oh, yes.
A lot of time goes into study because the chartered accounting course is quite taxing with full-time work as well. I love to spend time with my friends and my family. Quality time, always the best. Always give time to them as well. And Yeah, I love to read. I love going and doing things outside in terms of whether it be trekking or, you know, just adventure things outdoors.
Cool.
I love traveling.
Oh, right. That's good. I still remember the question I wanted to ask you about India. You were born in Kenya and partly you brought up in Kenya and Australia.
Yes.
And now you have won this Indian pageant, right?
Yep.
So let me ask you, how well do you know India? And and what inspired you about winning this pageant? What kind of confidence came in yourself?
Well, ever since I was very young, we've always had a tradition in our family where we still keep in touch with our roots, with our culture. We still celebrate all of the events.
Wow.
We're still in touch with our religion. All of these things. Even though I live in Australia, even though I speak English, doesn't mean I'm any less Indian. I still stay true to my roots. I remember my values. I remember who I am, where I've come from. And I think that applies to the rest of us here. Yeah, we may be living elsewhere, but that doesn't mean we forget who we are as Indians.
Hindustani.
Hanji, exactly, that's it.
I've got some questions for you, but condition is you won't be given any time. It's 5 questions.
Okay.
So be prepared. And since I haven't told her any of these questions.
Oh gosh.
And I'll just give her one word and you have to reply in 1 or 2 words maximum.
Okay, so
no long conversation.
Does it have to be what comes to my head?
What do you exactly like? What thing comes in your first in your head
Okay.
after listening this word?
Okay.
So you start. You ready?
Okay. Do I give you one word or do I
Just
give
one
you
word.
Okay.
One or maximum 2 words, not in sentence.
Okay.
All right.
Yep.
So cool.
Chalo, let's go.
Start. Chalo, let's
Yeah.
go. Life,
Beautiful.
family,
My rock.
India,
Miss India Global.
love, love,
क्या है?
movie,
Bollywood.
best moment,
Being born to my parents.
Sonam Patel,
Amazing.
boyfriend,
Oh. Let's talk about this after the show.
that was it. That was it. You did well. वेलकम टू द रेडियो गरम मसाला। आप सुन रहे हैं देसी पटाखा विद केकेल और आज शाम हमारे साथ हमारी देसी पटाखा है मिस इंडिया ग्लोबल 2016 सोनम पटेल। सो दोस्तों, हमने सोनम जी से बात की उनके लाइफ के बारे में, हर ब्यूटी पेजेंट, विनिंग मोमेंट एंड लाइफ आफ्टर विनिंग द पेजेंट एंड हर फ्यूचर वेंचर ऑफ गोइंग टू फिलीपींस एंड रिप्रेजेंटिंग इंडिया in what's that pageant's name?
Miss Global 2016.
Miss Global. I think I had a word with you before, but do you know you are representing India and the population of India, how much is it?
1.3 billion?
1.2 billion.
1.2 billion.
Yes, you forgot.
1.2 billion.
Exactly. So
That's a lot of people.
yes, so when you go there, always keep in mind you are not representing you, yourself,
No.
or your part or your family. You're representing India.
India.
1.2 billion people.
That's it.
Alright, so you better be, winning that crown and come back with the crown.
No pressure, Kekil. No pressure at all. Let's
I
smash
want
it.
that crown.
All right, I'll bring back that crown.
Cool.
I'll do
Alright.
whatever I can.
Wish you all the best from me and Ready Garam Masala team.
Thank you very much.
And dosto, Sonam ji have not came just by herself. She has got the crown as well, and
do.
I would like to wear her as well the crown that Miss India Global. All right, so we are just announcing now. We will be announcing her again, Miss India Global 2016. So please wear this crown for me.
Great, guys. Thank you so much for listening and staying tuned. And I just want to say that all the support you've been giving me really does go a long way.
Yep.
Keep it coming, guys, because now I'm representing all of us.
Yes.
And yeah, Philippines, it's a big thing. So thanks, guys, for all of your support. Keep it coming and loving all the well wishes.
Oh yeah, wish you all the best as well.
Thank you.
Live that moment again. So the Miss India Global 2016 is Sonam Patel.
Thank you.
So Sonam ji, I would like to request as well because मैंने आपको बहुत सारे गाने सुनाए. You would have to sing a song for me and Ready Garam Masala team.
Okay. For you and the Radio Garam
Garam
Masala
Masala
team.
team, yes.
Oh,
Any Purana Chilna doesn't have to be the full song.
Okay, let's
It has to be
go.
romantic.
All right, chal, let's
Dil Ka
do this.
Connection.
Okay, Dil Ka Connection.
Yeah,
let's go.
exactly.
तू है वही दिल ने जिसे अपना कहा तू है जहाँ मैं हूँ वहाँ अब तो ये जीना तेरे बिन है सजा हो मिल जाए इस तरह तो लहरे जिस तरह फिर होना जुदा ये वादा रहा.
Wow, awesome. Yeah, good singer as well. So thanks Sonam for coming to Radio Masala.
Thank
it's our
you.
pleasure as well.
Thank you very much for having me tonight. So really appreciate it.
No worries. So Shrotagan listeners, आप भी सुनते रहिए तड़का मार के रेडियो गरम मसाला 24/7. Stay tuned and you can listen to Radio Garam Masala anytime, even midnight if you don't sleep. Just tune in to Radio Garam Masala and you would have some nice Bollywood tunes.
Hi everyone, this is Sonam Patel, Miss India Global 2016, and you're listening to Radio Garam Masala Tadka Marke.
Radio Garam Masala, spiciest radio in town.